Ever feel like traditional banks are stuck in the past? Paper statements, endless fees, and that nagging feeling you're getting ripped off? Yeah, me too. That's why digital banks like Neon have been popping up, promising a sleek, app-driven banking experience. But are they all they're cracked up to be? Today, we're diving deep into Neon Bank to see if it's the future of finance or just a fad. Swiss roots, global ambitions? Neon Bank first sprouted in Switzerland in 2019. Now, they're setting their sights on becoming a global player. Here's the catch: Neon itself isn't actually a bank. They partner with a licensed bank, Hypothekarbank Lenzburg, to hold your money. This might sound sketchy, but it actually has a big upside. Your funds are insured up to 100,000 Swiss francs, which is a major security blanket. Banking in your pocket. Let's talk app. Neon's app is their pride and joy. It's slick, easy to use, and lets you do everything from sending money to budgeting. Plus, it integrates with Apple Pay, Google Pay, and all your favorite mobile wallets. No more fumbling for cash or that awkward moment when your debit card mysteriously disappears. Fees? Fees? What fees? Here's where Neon starts to shine. They boast about being a low-cost bank. Monthly account fees? Nope. Foreign transaction fees? Minimal compared to traditional banks. Want to send money internationally? Neon makes it a breeze, and often for free. But hold on a sec, banking isn't all sunshine and rainbows. There are a few things to consider before jumping ship to Neon. Not your traditional bank. First, because Neon relies on a partner bank, some features you might expect are missing. Need a safety deposit box or want to talk to a human teller? Neon's not your guy. Also, some users report their customer service can be a bit slow. Limited range, for now. Neon is still growing, and that means they're not available everywhere. Currently, they only operate in Switzerland. So, if you're an international jet-setter with banking needs across the globe, Neon might not be the one-stop shop for you. Is Neon the future? So, the verdict? Neon Bank is legit. It's a secure, low-cost option with a fantastic app. But it's not for everyone. If you crave the traditional banking experience or need features Neon doesn't offer, you might be better off sticking with your current bank. Ultimately, the best bank is the one that fits your lifestyle. Neon is a great option for tech-savvy folks who want a simple, affordable banking experience. But do your research and see if it aligns with your needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.